Welcome back to our course. We are still in session 2, normalization. In this video, we are going to discuss a particular type of normalization called third normal form. In order for a database to be in third normal form, it number one has to be in second normal form, and there can be no functional dependencies between the data in any of the tables. So in this case, we can see there is a dependency here. If we look at these tournaments, we can see the winners, but we can also see the winner's date of birth. And we may want to be able to get the date of birth for the winners independently from knowing the tournament in which they were the winner. So if you take a look down here, we can see we've decomposed this large table into, in this case, 2 tables, and we're able to independently, just by knowing the winner, get their date of birth. And we can see here the tournament now is listing the year and the winner. So this way we don't have to know the winner and the tournament in which they were in order to get date of birth. So this is the third normal form. Again, it must be in second normal form, and there has to be no functional dependencies within any of the tables between any of the columns. So stay tuned for our next video where we will discuss a special form of third normal form called Boyce-Codd normal form.